Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to display the technical details of a network adapter in Windows. I'll show you the several ways to get the technical information about the network interface through the command lines. So ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan, and then dito sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung CMD command prompt, and then click mo lang tong run as administrator. So dito sa command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space/on. Ayan, so kailangan mo lang enter yung ipconfig space/on and then press mo lang yung enter. And then nandito lahat ng details na. Okay, so this command displays the technical details of on network interface, whether active or inactive. Okay, so nandito lahat mga kaibigan. So makikita mo dito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano ba natin i-display yung technical details of a network adapter sa Windows. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.